We always recommend Dynasty because it is a all-around perfect shingle. It's just as important for me to feel comfortable sleeping at night and believing in the product that we would decide to put on the roof as it is for the homeowner.
I'm Nolan.
I'm Pete.
We are the owners of Skye Exteriors. We've both been in the home improvement industry now for quite a while, and we started this company a little over 2 years ago.
We're really into preventative care of our house. We saw a roof being done right across the cul-de-sac, and we pay attention to who does the work. We really like the way the crew work. As far as picking out the roof, they laid out all the samples on the driveway, and my husband and I walked up and just picked out the color, which is Glacier. It's Dynasty.
Dynasty is the shingle of choice for Skye Exteriors. It's got an ArmourZone nail strip, which gives us 130 mile/hour wind rating.
We actually have 5 of these sealant bonds, right? Not 3, not 2, there's 5. The FastLock sealant is much stickier than its competitors. And we do the testing. Main reason why we choose IKO as our go-to shingle, because the proof's always in the pudding. Their attention to detail is absolutely crisp.
Glacier has a lot of earth tone colors that will go perfect with the yellow siding on this home. Just a beautiful shingle.
I know it's gonna look great on the house.